Welcome back to a new video. It's been 7th lecture today since we are dealing with the topic of lines. Today our topic of discussion is intercept form of equation of a straight line. The theorem says equation of a line whose non-zero x and y intercepts are a and b respectively is x over a plus y over b is equals to 1. It means this is a straight line L and it has two intercepts. One is x intercept, the other is y intercept, and the intercepts are 0. Obviously the line is not passing through the origin, so it means the intercept must have some value, non-zero value. So let me label this side as A and this side as B. Suppose this line L cuts the x-axis at point A and the value of intercept is A, 0. And suppose the value of y-intercept is 0, b. Now we have to prove that the equation of this line because of these two non-zero intercept is this. So let this pxy be any arbitrary point of the line whose non-zero x and y intercepts are a and b respectively. Now obviously the points A and B are on the same line. So by 2-point form of the equation of the line which we discussed yesterday, we have the formula y minus y1 is equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. So now we have 2 points A and B. This is x1, y1, x2 and y2. So putting these values in this formula, we have now y minus 0 is y, b minus 0 is b, 0 minus a, it means minus a, into x minus a. Now taking this minus a to the other side of equality, it will become minus ay, which is equals to b into x minus a. Now minus ay is equals to bx minus ab. Now interchanging the positions, we have bx plus ay which is equals to ab. We have shifted minus ab to the other side of equality and this minus a to the other side. Now we have the form ay plus bx is equals to ab. But our required equation is that there should be 1 on the right side of equality. So we will divide this equation by AB. So AB and AB will be cancelled out. This B and B will be cancelled out. This A and A will be cancelled out. So we have y over B plus x over A is equals to 1. Rearranging this equation, we have x over a plus y over b is equals to 1. This equation. So we have proved. Example, write down an equation of the line which cuts x-axis at 3, 0 and y-axis at 0, 5. It means this is the value for x-intercept and this is the value for y-intercept. As we know that the equation for a straight line in the intercept form is x over a plus y over b is equals to 1, where this A represent x-intercept and this b represents y-intercept. So x over the value of x-intercept is 3 plus y, the value of b-intercept is 5, which is equals to 1. Taking LCM, we will get 15, 3 5 times and 5 3 times. This is equals to 1. So 5x plus 3y, and taking this 15 to the other side of equality, now it will multiply with this 1. So 5x plus 3y minus 15 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation of the line. This example we have is find an equation of the line through the point P whose coordinates are 2, 3. So this is the line and it is passing through a point with these coordinates, which forms an isosceles triangle with the coordinate x's in the first quadrant. This line is forming an isosceles triangle with the coordinate which is restricted in the first quadrant. This is first quadrant. So we have to tell the equation of this line. So the coordinates set is a, 0 and this is 0, a. Let this OAB be an isosceles triangle so that the line AB passes through A and B, where this A is some positive real number. So now the slope of AB is equals to the point we have A and B. So the slope of AB is equals to y2 minus y1. It means A minus 0 divided by x2 minus x1. It means 0 minus A. So A minus 0 is equals to A and 0 minus A is equals to minus A. Cancelling out, we will get minus 1. So slope of AB is equals to minus 1. But this AB passes through the point 2, 3. So we have got one point and one slope. So we will apply the formula for point slope equation of a straight line, which we have is y minus y1 is equals to m x minus x1. So this is x1 and this is y1. Y minus the value of y1 is 3 equals the value of slope is minus 1, x minus the value of x1 is 2. This is y minus 3, which is equals to minus x minus minus plus 1 2 times is 2. Rearranging this, y plus x minus 3 minus 2 is equals to 0. So it means x plus y minus 5 is equals to 0. X plus 5 minus y is equals to 0. So this is the equation for this line.